a year and a half ago, I had $17.34 left in my name and a gun to my head. I was gonna kill myself. 3 months after that, I got this i8 and I was driving it as my daily driver.
So after many years, I officially bought my dream car.
How do I make money and how do I afford a GTR at a young age?
But I bought a 911 Turbo S, which is surreal.
Alright, it's no secret that people are making a ton of money doing online business, right? And one of the easiest ways is dropshipping. You go to Shopify, you create your store, you list your products that you want to sell, you run ads, and then you just wait for sales. Sounds simple, right? But is it though? Because majority of the successful guys who made profit out of this business are from America or Canada or Australia or like first world country. But is it possible to make same amount of profit from a third world country like India? So I have decided to create a brand new store from India and try to sell and see if it's possible to make profit out of it or not. So this is gonna be the first video where I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna create my first Shopify store from India. So let's jump on the computer screen. Alright, before we start, I need to clarify that this is a part 1 of the whole process. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Shopify account, then how to create your first Shopify store, and then how to buy a domain for your store, from where you can get products on your store, and some necessary app for you to run your store. Click on start free trial, and then I'm just starting. Click on dropshipping. Now if you have audience, just click yes. If not, then just no, or you can just skip it. And now you just need to write a store name. For me, it's gonna be my guideline store, something like this. You know, I already have a store, so I'm just gonna like skip it for now. Now region should be India, since we're gonna try this store from India. Or if you already have a Shopify ID, just click on login. For me, I already have one, so I'm just gonna like log in with it. Now you don't need to care about these stuff that much right now. Just click on online store, and now just click on any theme you want for your store, depending on the product you're gonna be selling. For me, I want to sell something like makeup and stuff, so like I'm gonna go with this one, add. Now here you can like change all the text, everything. For me, I already like changed it to like welcome to my store, something like this. You can also change the image here. For me, I'm gonna go for makeup, since I'm gonna be selling makeup products, so beauty and makeup. And from here you can like pick any, like this one maybe. Looks pretty nice. So take your time and like build up your website, and always remember to save it. Now let me show you how to like add products to your website page, like here. So click on exit. Now click on products. As you can see, I don't have any product. So to add products, we need to go to apps. So click on search and click on apps. Now here you need to search CJ Dropshipping. Now click on CJ Dropshipping, and now just click on add app, click on install app. Now you need to authorize it. Just click on authorize and it's gonna send you a mail. Go and like verify it and stuff, but I'm not gonna do it because I already have an account attached with my own store. So now go to cjdropshipping.com and search the product you want to sell. For me, eyelash curler, and I've already found my product, so this one. I'm simply gonna click on add to queue. Now click on queue. Here select your product and click on bulk editing. Here you can put 2. That means if the product price in CJ Dropshipping is like $5, it's gonna be like $10 on your store. Whatever the price is gonna be the double on your store. Now if you want to manually list your product on your store, then click on manual listing and click your store, product type, collections, wherever you want to put it, and shipping method, whatever you want to pick. For me, I'm gonna go with auto listing, and here you need to put your store name, and there is price settings. You can either select one from these. I'll just go with like 2x. That means double the price. Whatever the price is in CJ Dropshipping is gonna be double on my store. Just hit confirm. Now come back to Shopify, click on products, and here you can see all your products that you have added from CJ Dropshipping. For me, I have like multiple products here that I want to like list on my website. I don't want this, so I'm just gonna click on that and just simply delete the product. Now if you want to edit your product and have a different title and pricing and stuff, just click on the product. Now here you can change the title, description, and the variety of the product and the pricing as well. So you can edit everything however you want. But for the video, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Now click on products. And if you want to see like how your product's gonna look on your store, just click on this I button. And there you go. Your customer can click on white to like select the white color, purple, white expensive, pink and white. So now let's buy a domain for my store. So for that, click on settings, go to domains, and you can buy a new domain from here. Whatever you want to name your domain, just write the name. For me, it's my Skyline store. Now here you can buy a domain. You can buy .in, .net, .org, or .com. Typically .coms are like more trustworthy, kind of. So just go for .com if it's not breaking your bank. And once you bought your domain, just search your domain name, and here you can just like select it. So that is it for the video, guys. But let's recap and see what we did in this video. So we started with creating an account in Shopify. Then we created a store, added some products in the store, bought a domain for the store. And that is it for the first part. And in the second part, I'll go through advertising process and sales. So be sure to like subscribe for that video. And just in case, if you want to learn how to make videos like this, click on the I button and watch how to create easy videos with AI tools. And thank you again for watching this video. And if you made it till the end of the video, please comment down we did it and leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.